International Hug Your Cat Day. Do you love your cats? Do you hug them? How many cats have you got?
I've got 4 cats.
Let's make simple sentences on cats. Cats are small pet animals. Cats like milk and fish.
Cats have green or blue or brown or black eyes and soft fluffy fur.
Cats like catching rats at night and take a nap during the day.
Cats like climbing and hunting.
They are wonderful and they are my favorite pets. I love my cats, so I give them my hugs today and every day.
Happy on Hug Your Cat Day. Bye bye.